Hey tubers, let's do another Titan versus Tundra video. And of course, as soon as I start, the dog likes to bark. But today we're going to be looking at the interiors. I've got Phil's truck warming up. Let me go shoot the dog, or at least tell her to shut up, and I'll be right back. Let's look at the interior of the Tundra first. Well, what's my overall impression? Of course, it's dirty, but basically looks good. The back door plastic panels are fine. This back seat is like new, other than having junk piled on it. This was the driver's seat belt. It is in really rough shape and needs to be replaced. I am noticing from the dog some of the lining on the door is not as well attached as it should be. Carpets, those kind of fit, seem to have held up fine. I gotta say, there are no cracks at all on the dash. It's been armor-alled regular, so what can I say? Visors are in excellent shape. Little sunglass holder works. I do know for the gauges, the airbag light is on this one, and occasionally the seatbelt driver's side blinks. Now, condition of the seats. Well, it looks like somebody's got a small burn here. Factory floor mats, I've actually swapped them. This is the passenger side. Driver's side's under here because it was getting too wore out. As you can see, burn marks and shoe marks. The cloth is held up pretty good. This is right by the door. It's breaking down a little bit, and the foam, of course, could probably stand to be replaced. But no tears. It's held up. And of course, it wouldn't be a video of mine without the damn dog barking. Stop it. She wants in the truck so bad she can taste it. Hold on. See what I mean? All right, let's look at the other side of what's going on with the interior. Well, the driver's side door, of course, has got the drop-down sag going for it. I have the stuff to fix it, and the actual safety hinge is broken off here. Really could probably stand to get a whole new door. There we go. Got to stuff my little pieces of rubber back in good. That's what keeps the door from overstressing for me. But like I said, as you can see, the plastic is all intact. Back door's fine. There's no rust on the rocker panels or anything. Other than just being dirty, this truck is solid and it's pretty well stock. Yeah. Interior-wise, I'd say it's in good shape for a 19-year-old truck. Let's see what the Titan has to offer us for the interior. Now, this isn't my ride, so I have no idea what to expect. Well, the door panels are in excellent shape. I think the same is true for the dashboard. Everything looks fine, no cracks, no tears. Passenger seat, other than being a little dirty and stained, that's excellent. Okay, now this has got a different style door than the Tundra. All right, back to the video. Yeah, the back seat here looks fine. The door panels are in excellent shape. Okay, whatever this box is, oh, it still works. Maybe a little bit offset just from age. But fit and finish, I'd say on this truck is pretty well held up nicely. The biggest problem I see, and I'm going to take you over to the other side, rocker panels here are solid. This truck has the same problem as mine, of course, much more pronounced, but you can see the big door sag. Oh God, it's got to be, I don't know, almost an inch. Okay, the handle's looking a little rough on this door panel, but because it's all plastic, it's great. Low tire pressure monitor works because he does have a low tire. Okay, that latch was a little sticky there on that door, but everything here looks great. No rips, no tears. His driver's seat, though, has seen better days. This piece of foam actually could stand to be reworked and the seat recovered. Other than that, I'd say the interior, whoa, here we go. What's this? It's also cracking right here. Same with right over here. So I'm gonna take back what I said about his dashboard being equal to mine. This is just hard plastic, and it's cracked. So I guess for interior wise, I'm gonna have to give the win to the Tundra. Yep. And Phil, as you can see, I'm taking good care of your truck. I'm keeping it warmed up. I'll put some air in that tire, and it's still looking fine. Let me take my phone out. I'm going to take a snapshot and text you telling you your truck's looking fine.